In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how you guys can actually go about making some money online. And all you really need to do here is to watch videos. So this is probably going to be one of the easiest ways that you can make money remotely online. And again, simply watching videos, rating the videos, transcribing the videos, or doing some other micro task that is related to watching these videos. And some of these jobs actually do pay very well. They're also very flexible in terms of the time, so you could do this, whenever you want. I mean, you could choose the project and then you'll have a deadline, but then you choose how to schedule your day and then you get to work whenever you want. So really good opportunities here to make some money, and some of these jobs are paying several $100 per task, and some of these tasks you can definitely complete them within a day. So a really good way to make some money online. So we'll be going through that in just a bit, but before we get into that, just want to remind you guys, if you are here primarily to find remote work from home jobs, or that's the type of content that you're looking for, be sure to go over to my second channel. That's where I've moved all that type of content. That's going to be this channel right here, the work from home channel, and this is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home job opportunities that I can find online. So if you're looking for a full-time, part-time, overnight, flexible schedule type of job, just full-time, or a stable job, whether you're inside the US or you're in another country, then this is where you'll find these high paying job leads. So if you haven't already done so, and that's the type of content that you're looking for, be sure to go over to this channel, the work from home channel. I actually just posted a brand new job lead there today, where you guys can make some really good money for a part-time customer care job, which comes with really good benefits as well, fully remote. So be sure to go over and check that out. But let's now dive into the methods of making money online by simply just watching videos. So the first thing that you could do is you could go over to CrowdGen by Appen. They recently rebranded. It was just Appen before, now it's CrowdGen by Appen, and they have these type of jobs here. Now this one is located in the United States, but they do have the same position, and they have it in different countries, and they also have it in different languages. So I'll leave the link down below. You could go through the list and apply to whichever one is a better fit for you. But to give you guys an idea of what you'll be doing here, as a social media video evaluator, your primary task will be to watch and evaluate short form videos on specific social media platforms. Your insights will help gauge on how well these platforms cater to user preferences. And for this particular job, they're paying you per task. So this one is paying just about, I think, $300 one time. This is for the entire project, and they're estimating that you could complete this project in 25 to 30 hours. And this project entails you going through and watching 750 videos across 3 platforms. However, these are going to be short form videos, so these are not, like hour-long podcasts. These are going to be shorter videos. You simply watch the videos, accurately enter data for each video into the tool that they're providing you, an online tool, and then you provide feedback and metrics after reviewing the videos. So for this one, must be located inside the United States. Also create an anonymous email for project purposes, ability to create temporary accounts on specified social media platforms, access to an iOS or Android device with sufficient storage and screen recording capability, commitment to completing tasks within deadlines. And again, for doing this one task, you can make $300. And again, it's not just inside the US, they have it in different countries and also in different languages. So this is one way where you could simply just watch some videos, provide feedback on the videos that you've watched, and you could make some money online. And this type of job is usually open at Appen. I mean, they have several other related tasks related to videos where you could watch videos and make money, but this is one of the higher paying ones. But again, I'll leave the link down below, and you could go through the list and you could choose whichever of these tasks you want to do. You could do a couple of them simultaneously. You could definitely make several $100s per day easily here. Also, just in case you guys were wondering about other people's experience doing tasks like this, you could go over to Glassdoor and find Appen, for example, and you could take a look at their reviews. It's a legitimate company here, listed on Glassdoor, almost 6,000 reviews and over 4,000 reported salaries. Overall rating is 3.7 out of 5 stars. Now, not all the jobs here would be related to watching videos and making money online, but if you go through the reviews, you'll find people that have done these type of tasks, and you could see what their experience was doing this at Appen. Now, another thing that you guys could do is transcription type of jobs, and a good place to do this is daily transcription. Here you get paid for simply watching videos and transcribing them. So for example, general transcription here, they're seeking native English speaking transcribers who have excellent listening and typing skills to develop accurate text from audio or video files. The ideal candidate will have strong attention to detail and the ability to work independently, delivering high quality transcripts in a timely manner. And skills needed here: type at least 50 words per minute, strong listening and typing abilities, strong attention to detail, ability to work independently, time management, proficient in using a transcription software, ability to insert time codes, ability to proofread your own work, ability to follow guidelines and formats, and also able to take constructive criticism from the team. For this position, you can make, it's per hour here, $45 to $66 per hour of material that you do transcribe, and this is for general transcriptions. And for this position, they're looking for people inside the US, Canada, United Kingdom, and New Zealand, but they have other transcription jobs here like AI editor. Well, this is probably not going to be with you watching videos, but something else that you could look into. This one pays slightly more, $60 to $90 per hour. But here we have a medical transcriber, and again, you'll be listening and watching, so it's going to be audio or video files. And for the medical transcriber, it pays a bit more. It's $75 to $120 per hour of material that you can transcribe, and the relevant skills are pretty much going to be the same for most of these transcription jobs here. They also have subtitler and captioner, and they have a legal transcriber, and again goes up to around $150 or $120 per hour. And then some of the newer ones here may be going up to $150 per hour, but this one is in Spanish, so you have to be bilingual for this position, so naturally it's going to pay a bit more because more skills are required for that one. But this is a great place to find these type of transcription in jobs, and again, you're simply just watching or listening to some type of video or audio file and then transcribing that, and you could make upwards of $120 per hour. Again, if you want to know what other people's experience was like doing these jobs, you could find daily transcription on Glassdoor. They have not really a lot of info here. 46 reviews, 19 reported salaries. For the salaries here, some of them are related to transcriptioning, but again, not a whole lot of info here. So a transcriptionist based on 8 reported salaries is making right around $40,000 per year. So that's what you can expect to make here if you're doing this full time. Also, you can check out some of the reviews, and that may give you an idea of what other people's experience was like doing these type of jobs. So this person was a anonymous contractor. And pros: set your own hours, sign up for as much work as you can manage. Cons: they can't think of anything. Another review here, 4 out of 5 stars. They were a transcriptionist. Pros: freelance, work from home, decent pay compared to other transcription websites. Cons: quick turnaround times expected for submissions. Again, you need to be really quick. They're looking for people who can type, I think it said here, at least 50 words per minute for most of these. So you got to be really quick for these jobs, but still you could make some really good money by simply watching videos or listening to audio files. Now, another thing that you could do is go over to TELUS International and take a look at some of their AI community tasks. And for example, right now they have a personalized internet assessor, and in this job you'll be assessing online search results to enhance their quality. You'll analyze and rate content relevance to search terms while reviewing the language, tone, and cultural appropriateness. And these oftentimes will include you watching videos or some type of video ads, and for this you get paid. Now, they did have some higher paying internet ads assessor positions here before, but those are all gone. A lot of people were applying, so those are all filled, but they currently have these personalized internet assessor positions. And this one says Australia, but they are located in different countries. The only downside to this is that you need to be living in whatever country you're applying in. You need to be living in that country for the past 5 years. That's the only downside. But they do have this position open right now in many different countries and also many different languages. So you could go over to TELUS International, take a look at their AI community tab, and find a position. Downside here, they didn't give an idea of how much they're paying for this particular job, so not really sure. But for some of the other positions, they were paying above $30 per hour, so really good opportunity here for watching videos and making money doing so. Also, similarly, you guys could go over to 3Play Media. They're in the business of transcriptions, so you could be a English transcriptionist, Spanish transcriptionist, or you could be a English voice writer. But the general idea is the same here. You watch videos or you listen to audio files and then you transcript these, and for that you can get paid really well. So for a voice writer here, you'll produce real-time captions for live events by re-speaking into their web-based software, and you create high-quality captions in real time. So you're watching a live stream and you're repeating everything that's being said to create the captions, and for this you actually get paid fairly well here. So this is another job that you can look into, or another method of making money online by watching videos, or in this case you'll be watching a live stream or some other type of live content, and you'd be making money by doing so. Now the only downside for 3Play Media is they didn't list how much they were paying for these jobs, but that will depend on the amount of time you're spending on doing these tasks. So if you're watching a live stream and it's only 30 minutes, then naturally that's going to pay you a lot less than if you were watching an event that's going to be 1 to 2 hours. So it really depends on how much work you're doing per day. That will determine how much money you can make here, but still fairly easy. I think this is going to be one of the easiest ways that you can make money online right now, by simply watching videos online. So all links will be down below. Again, if you came here primarily looking for remote work from home jobs like full-time jobs or some other form of employment, be sure to go over to my other channel, the work from home channel. That is where I've moved that content to. But with all that covered, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.